In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Copilot app. So there's a review of the Copilot app. I have a couple reviews on Claude and the rest. So you can download it on Apple Store and Google Play Store. So this is how the interface looks like when you download it. Looks exactly like Claude, like Google, like ChatGPT and the rest. So when you hop on it like this, you can just start a new chat by tapping on the bottom right corner. You see that that's a new chat and you can send a message. So you can send anything, you get it, something like this, and you send it. And you get your message here, something random. And now let me walk you through the interface. So discover, this is for Microsoft, so you are definitely going to get some news from them. If you are using Edge, you're going to see this type of news there. And this is library. If you want to create something like an image, they have an AI for image, which is Bing something, and they have this pages and researches too as well. It's up to you. You can create a custom one at the library. And I think that's it. And if you want to start a new chat, to the bottom right, the next section here, you can see this is for a new chat. And now let's tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of our screen here. Sorry, I didn't talk about the models. So you can see smart on top there, top middle, tap on that. And you can switch the models, you get it, the modes. So you can switch to deep think, study and research, quizzes and the rest is up to you. Depends on what you're trying to use the AI for. And I'll tap on the hamburger menu here. Just like other AIs, the interface is the same. You can create a project. The notion about project is it's going to keep everything you send there. You just tap on project, you give it a name and all that. Yes, create a project, give it a name, and you upload your materials. So the material, the reason why I'm saying it's not going to forget anything is, let's say I have a YouTube channel and I want to grow the channel. I can upload my YouTube data there. And they will give me some strategies, and any question I ask, they are going to look at the files to answer the question, something like that. And then the discover is the same as the one we tapped on, and the library is the same. And then your chat should appear here. You can see this. There's a chat here. You can long press if you want to delete it, if you want to rename it, if you want to share it, or if you want to pin it so it be on top. So let me tap on the pin. And it's going to be on top. Any messages I sent, this is going to be on top. And now let's move to our account. So we tap on the Michael here to move to the account, and you can do a reset in here. So your name and your mail, this is our tutorial mail. If you're on here, you can sign out. You can change the voice setting if you want to. The memory is up to you. You can change everything. Yeah, it's just normal English. You just read and you change it to your account. If you want to delete it and the rest, you can do same here. You can change your name. Permissions here too as well, notifications and all that. You can turn it on and off. Location access, privacy. I think here is where you're going to find the delete. So you can delete your memory and everything on the app. Very, very simple. After that, you can clear your history, export your history. You can download it and export it. And you can also delete your account too. Very, very simple on how to use Copilot. Yeah, this belongs to Microsoft, just like Gemini. I made a review on Gemini. That is for Google and Claude and the rest. So you can check them out. That's it. I think I've talked about everything you need to know. And sorry, I didn't talk about how to, send a voice note and also attach a file. So you tap on the plus button there if you want to add an image or anything of that sort. If you want to generate an image, deep research and all that, start a quiz, create a podcast, upload some files, a PDF or something. That's it. I think I've talked about everything. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.